Welcome to Walker Manufacturing Company. My name is Ryan Walker. Today we're located on the B line. It's one of our assembly lines here in the factory. I'd like to talk with you today about the S18. The S18 is a new product from Walker Manufacturing Company. The S18 is a continuation of the Model S. The S18 is designed to run a 42 or a 48-inch collection, side discharge, or mulching decks. The S18, like the S14 before it, has some design goals around productivity, simplicity, trying to reduce the weight, and improve the value for the customer of the product. From the integrated chassis to the simplified blower design, we're able to take weight out of the product and simplify the systems and components. This patented 12.5-inch GHS blower features a thru-shaft design, a thru-shaft PTO design. The blower shaft extends forward through the front of the blower in this intermediate shaft and becomes the PTO shaft on the front of the machine. This PTO shaft is also splined, allowing the use of our quick disconnect coupler to easily and efficiently change decks from collection to mulching to side discharge. We use the Hydrogear ZT3100 transmission in the S18. This transmission spec, we've lowered the ratio, allowing this product to go 7.4 miles an hour approximately when it leaves the factory. It's our fastest grass handling system lawnmower that we produce. It's an aggressive machine, but its simplified design and lower weight allows a lot of performance, even with a 48-inch deck. James is installing the transmissions into the product. Again, just looking at this package, it's very simple and clean. Say hi to James. James has worked in the business for over 20 years, does a really nice job in our assembly work. See you, James. All right, at Mark's station, he's installing the jack shaft assembly, the belts. This jack shaft assembly takes the power from the Briggs Vanguard 18 horsepower engine through two belts to a compound pulley. Then this jack shaft provides power for the PTO belt that's clutched and also the transmission belt on the front of the jack shaft. The power plant for the S18 is a Briggs & Stratton Vanguard 18 horsepower V-twin engine. I'd like to point out a couple things on this engine. One is the external oil cooler. Adding the oil cooler to this spec gave us cooling margin, and especially in warm summer months, in hot climates, just having that extra margin, that cooling capacity is really important for engine life and longevity. It features a serpentine belt design on the front of this engine and an integrated bearing support for extra support on the front of that engine. In John's station, I'd like to point out the external engine filtration system. Also the 4-gallon fuel tank with a easy-to-read top-mounted gauge. The expansion tank system for the Hydrogears has been simplified and updated. It's a robust system, and it does better with power washing and cleaning. Although we don't recommend power washing, it happens. And we just want to minimize the amount of water that's in the oil. In Javon's station, hey Javon, how's it going?
Right.
Good. Javon's installing body, engine controls. In this station, the engines are run, transmission speed is checked, safety systems are checked, and then the machine's put on the ground after that final inspection step. After the machine's on the ground, we install the 7-bushel grass collection catcher box. And like all Walker mowers with the grass handling system, it features the power fill system and an easy to operate full system, so you know when the catcher box fills up with grass. So at 7.4 miles an hour with reduced weight, it's a simple design, able to operate 36, 42, and 48-inch decks. The model S18 is really a valuable product for you as a contractor or a homeowner. It's going to do a great job in spring, summer, fall, and winter. It's a versatile machine full of value, it's unique, and we hope that soon you'll be able to see one in a dealership near you. Take it for a demo. We hope you like it as much as we do. Thanks for your time today.